I work in customer service. I encounter people every day and I want to talk to them every day. It's kind of hard whenever you're sitting there talking to them and you want to smile, but you're like, is this person going to be judging me because of the way my teeth look?
It's all in our hands, this life of time that's given to us all. It gathers round each night, each morn. We watch it pass and grow.
Hello, my name is Santos, and I had a lower all-on X at Renew Dental Implants. It's about 10-15 years ago. My health wasn't that good, and for some reason, I don't know if it was lack of calcium or what, I don't know, I was losing teeth, and unfortunately I didn't have health insurance at the time, so all I could afford was the community center where they do free dental, and they won't do anything, no crowns or anything. All they would do is, hey, you have a problem, we're gonna yank your teeth. After losing so many teeth and in pictures and stuff, I would never smile. I would just give a little grin and that's it. I didn't like smiling in public at all. My wife and I were looking at dental implants, so we decided to go on the internet and check out all their reviews and everything, and Dr. Das was just way up there. Just everyone just had nothing but good things to say about him. The first consultation I was with Karen, and she laid it out all on the table and said, you can do this, you can do that. Some of it's a little cheaper, some of it's a little bit more expensive. She told me the pros and cons. They don't try to persuade you to do this or that. It's whatever you're comfortable with, whatever is right for you.
When Santos came to us, he was suffering from severe gum disease. The gum disease had destroyed the foundation of the teeth, so many of his teeth, especially in the front, were very loose.
They did sedate me, and honestly I don't really remember it because I guess they did a good job at it. I remember waking up and they already had the teeth in, and it was like, it's done? It's already done? I wasn't expecting it. Even my sister says, you're cheesing all the time, smiling all the time. It's because I'm happy. I'm happy that I got something there and I'm not ashamed of them. I felt like I got a piece of me back that was missing a long time ago.